Say hello to the MATCHFIT Dovetail Router Bit, specifically designed for our MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps. Its unique design uses the same standard Dovetail Profile but with a few tweaks. Its rounded corners cut incredibly clean dovetail grooves that require less sanding, making the MATCHFIT system faster and easier than ever before. The 1/32 inch roundover strengthens that bottom corner by removing less material. The 1/16 inch roundover at the top of the dovetail groove prevents tear out and fuzz, which means less time sanding and more time building. The router collet safety line shows how deep into the collet the bit should be. That means more surface area for the collet to grip, reducing vibration for a smoother cut, and minimizing the risk of the bit loosening and ejecting from the router. The laser cut depth guideline is exactly 3/8 of an inch from the end of the carbide cutter, allowing you to dial in your cutting depth fast. If you're a fan of the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps, you're going to love this bit. Experience the MATCHFIT Dovetail system in a whole new way. Sure, you can still use your old router bit, but why? Visit us online at MICROJIG.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter.